Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake so nothing moves while you work. Use a cloth to protect trim, then wedge a flat pry tool between the plastic collar and boot to release retaining clips. This exposes the gear lever shaft. Once done, pull the gaiter down carefully to avoid tearing it, and check whether the current knob is screwed on or clipped. Knob types vary, so identify fastening before applying force. You now remove the old knob. If it's threaded, turn it counterclockwise while stabilizing the lever. If it's a clip fit, press the locking tab or lift the keeper and slide the knob off. Once removed, note the order of any spacers, springs, or plastic collars. Take a photo if needed so you reassemble correctly. Make sure mating surfaces are clean and free of grit, because debris can prevent secure seating and cause shift play or noise. You install the new Swift DZire knob by placing any spacer or spring back in the same order, then push or thread the new knob until it seats firmly. Make sure the orientation matches shift markings. Reposition the gaiter and snap or screw the collar back into place, ensuring clips engage. Finally, test every gear while car is stationary. If shifting is stiff or knob feels loose, double-check the fastener and alignment. Misaligned parts are the usual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.